Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will do what's in my bag segment. So this year I did what's in my bag segment, but somehow the video was ruined. So that's why I'm doing what's in my bag. This is a gift from my best friend, and this bag is from Versace. Here is a back pocket. It has a long sling, and here is a pocket. Here is nothing, and inside one pocket, and then here is a chain. So let's start. First of all, I have my wallet. So this is a first copy of Gucci wallet, which I bought it from Siliguri, and inside I have cards, some cash, and here I keep my rubber bands. Actually, I keep my rubber bands here because sometimes if I forget to take my makeup pouch, then I can use it from my wallet. Next, umbrella. 12 months in a year I use this. For rainy season, for summer, I use this every day whenever I am out. Next is makeup pouch. I will show you to you later because it has lots of stuff. Then some photos, passport size. Next I have, oops, it's open. God, I don't know. You can see light is on. I don't know how it. Okay, this is my power bank, but somehow it turns on. I don't know how. I can't turn it off. Let it be. And next thing, I have pocket tissues, very very important. And I have not many things here. I have few things. Okay, now I have little ether perfume. This is a main perfume, but if you apply it, smells heaven. Just a little amount. Oh my god, it smells heaven. It's a very very harsh, I mean strong fragrance. I love strong fragrance. It remains in the body all the day. So this I bought from a fair. This is Astin Aroma Boutique, and here is no price. I think it cost around 60 to 70 rupees. And next thing, sanitizer. You know, this is very very important. Lifebuoy immunity boosting hand sanitizer. Okay. See, and then I have handkerchief. I use handkerchief every day. I have 12 to 15 handkerchief in my bag. I love using this. It's a very handy. And today I use one handkerchief. Otherwise I use 2 to 3 handkerchief, and I always keep 2 to 3 handkerchief in my bag. And next thing, sunglasses. I don't need a case for this because I bought it from local market, and this is what is it. And I use randomly, so that's why I need to open the case and then I will apply the shades. So I have not that much time. So that's why sunglasses. sunglass. And next, inside my pocket chain, I have 2 clutcher. You need this. And my bag is empty now. And in the back chain, I have ajwain. After eating something heavy, you need this. And then I have gum, chiclets. So I have big bottles, but I use this randomly. But I can use it in my purse also. I can keep this in my purse also. So these are very handy. So that's why I keep it. And here are some chillers. 10 rupee coin. Some chillers in my bag. Okay, so lastly, my makeup pouch. Okay, first of all, I have lots of things. This bag I carry everywhere, so that I can't, if I lost something, I will find it in my makeup pouch wherever I go, outside or any other places. I carry this because everything it has. First of all, L'Oreal Compact, Lakme face powder, Nykaa lip gloss, which I am wearing right now. It's in the shade Honey Boo 01. A blender, mascara, Faces, Color Essence lipstick, matte lipstick. It's a new one. Again a mascara, Maybelline Temptation mascara. Sunscreen, Joy sunscreen SPF 30. Neutrogena sunscreen SPF 50. Brush, again a brush. Small eyeshadow kit by Wet n Wild. Miss Claire red lipstick, Color Bar concealer in the shade 002 chiffon. Next I have kajal, Lakme, in the shade blue. Again one brush, Nivea lip balm. Again one nude lipstick, Color Bar, in the shade Hot Latte 007, highly recommended. It's a very nude peach pink tone color, matte. Eyebrow, I don't know, I lost this cap. Wet n Wild eyebrow, and it looks like this length, but I use it so much that in 6 months it came like this. One blusher, 925, peach. It's in the shade Nude Flush, Pure Rouge blusher. And lastly, sharpener for my eyebrow. Okay, empty. So this is my what's in my bag segment. I hope you like it. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.